Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at estimating. Now, with estimating, we are using the skill of rounding. So we're going to be looking at estimating with adding and takeaway today. So I've got 1,568 and I'm going to add 2,342. Now when we're estimating, we are getting an approximate answer. So I'm going to estimate by quickly rounding my numbers. So I'm going to round my top number to the hundreds, and then I'm going to also round my bottom number to the hundreds as well. So 1,568. If we remember about rounding, I'll look at this part here, 68. Is it bigger than 50? Yes, so I round it up, and my new number is 1,600, or 1,600, the way I like to say it. And then I am going to round again to the hundreds. I'll look at this number here, which is 42. 42 is less than 50, so I round down to 2,300. And now I can add it. 16 plus is 23 equals 39, so 3,900 or 3,900. That's just me roughly working it out. I could have also estimated by rounding to the thousands. 1,568 is closer to 2,000. $2,342 is closest to 2,000 or 3,000. 2,000. 2,000 plus 2,000 equals 4,000. So we don't expect to get the same answer when we're estimating, but we do expect to get close. Let's have a go at solving this question. 8 plus 2 equals 10, 0, carry the 1. 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 11, carry the 1. 5 plus 3 plus 1 equals 9, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3,910, and we got between both of our estimations. So estimating is making sure that we are close, but it's making it so we're able to do it in our heads. Let's look at estimating when we are doing takeaway now. So I'm going to put a question up here. $4,587, and I'm going to take 2,452. Now, I could do it both ways. I could estimate straight to the thousands column, which I'll do that first over here. Rounding the top number is 4,587 closest to 4,000 or closer to 5,000. 5 is 5 or more, we round up, and 587 is bigger than 500. So it turns into 5,000. I look at my bottom number, 2,452. I again look at that, it's got a 4 there, so I'll definitely be rounding it down because 452 is less than 500. So I'll round it to 2,000. 5,000, take 2,000 equals 3,000. So we could say roughly we could be having a 3,000 difference. Now, when we are estimating, I prefer to always go 1 over to make it closer, because I know for a fact it's not going to be 3,000. That's where it's the difference between adding and also takeaway. So let's have another look. If I'm going to round it to the hundreds. So I go over to the tens, 8 or 80. 80 is bigger than 50, so I round it up to 4,600. The bottom number, 2,452. I look at the 4. Am I going to keep it as 400 or round it up to 500? So I go to the next number, 50 or 52. Is 52 bigger than, same or bigger than 50? Yes. So I round it up and it becomes 2,500. Now, I'm going to quickly do in my head, 46 take 25 equals 21. So I've quickly estimated in my head that my answer is going to be 2,100. Again, let's double check our answer. 7 take 2 equals 5. 8 take 5 equals 3. 5 take 4 equals 1. And 4 take 2 equals 2. I was a lot closer. So that's how we are going to estimate. We are going to be using our rounding to help us out. I really hope that helps you with estimating when we're working with adding and takeaway. If you need any extra help, feel free to message me and I'll get back to you.